class 5. Today I will show you my maths project on working model on multiplication tables. This is the table of 12 and I will show you how it works. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. 12 elevens are 132. 12 twelves are 144. I hope you all liked it. Thank you.
Good evening. I am from class 5. My name is Swarnati Puhata. Today I will explain about a working multiplication table on 14. This is a table of 14 and this is a device that helps to find the answers of the 14 table. Like I will show you now. Here I will go to 1. So it's in 1. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 50. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. 14 elevens are 154. 14 elevens are 154. And here the last 14 12s are 168. So you have seen guys, this is a very useful device. So you can make this. Bye bye. Meet in next video.
Good evening. I am Kunjal Sarkar from class 5 of North Point Senior Secondary Boarding School. In this video, I will show you this working model on multiplication table. If we move this wheel, we can get the other multiplication tables from 1 to 10 on. We can learn multiplication tables from this working model very easily and in a fun way. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50.